So how do we begin the day? We start with a mindful opening and we close with a mindful closing. And in between, whatever we remember, we will do the mindfulness practice during those activities. So what we do is when we get up in the morning, just sit on your bed, don't get up, and take some deep breaths and just come to the senses, come back from the world of dreams which you created and come to this new world which you are going to create for yourself. We're going to place an order what we want from the world, what kind of world we want to create with that order. Anything that you have on your list of things to do, you just place an order in the morning. In the very first 5 minutes, all you need to do is concentrate on your orders. As we do search online on Google, here we're going to do the search using Giggle. Giggle is go inside by closing your eyes using his mindfulness practice, where you're just talking to yourself and figuring out who you are and what you want in life. And that will come out if you start practicing this every day. We want to do good things in lives, but then we have this uncertainty or insecurity or lack of confidence which says, okay, oh, how can I do this? I don't deserve that, or I don't have the guts to do that. The moment we start saying these are all negative orders. So I will share a small story which will tell you what exactly I mean by our negative orders. Uh, there were two children. They were climbing up on top of two different trees just to pick some mangoes. Both their mothers were standing on the floor, and suddenly a big rush of wind came, and the trees they started swaying left and right. Both the mothers got scared. The first mother said to her son, "Dear child, be careful, do not fall down. Be careful, do not fall down." And the other mother said to her son, "Be careful, hold on to the tree. Be careful, hold on to the tree." So remember the difference between the two? In one case, the child could only hear "do not fall," fall. The word, the whole image of fall came into his mind and he fell down. And the other child, all he was thinking is hold on. So he held on to the tree and he was safe. Even if you place some negative orders throughout the day, okay, I can't do this, or it shouldn't happen this way, think of anything negative, just go and remove that from the cart of amyzahan.com. Just like we do it for any online website. If we place something by mistake or we don't like it or we figure out it's not good for us, we remove it from the cart, right? Same way, just say, I cancel my order or remove my item from the cart. And then once we have placed all the positive things on the cart, all we're going to do is make the payment. Now the payment methods are very easy. One payment method is through Facebook, another one is Twitter. So both these accounts, as you can figure out from the names, are so familiar to you, but they will help you in receiving your order on time from amyzahan.com. My Zahan, Zahan means world. This is my world. I said in the beginning, both your dream world and your world that you see around you when you wake up, it's all your own creation. And then, so what do you do in by payment? In Facebook, what you have to do is every night in the beginning, you can take a journal to write down few things on how the day went, whether you were successful, whatever that you are planning to achieve, whether you did any negative orders, just cancel it. Throughout the day, you have to do, instead of tweeting, you have to do sweeting. Sweeting is say the things with sweet words, listen to each other, have compassion and kindness towards everybody else. They all are creating their own worlds, right? Whether it's on email, on WhatsApp, or on phone, where we talk, where we speak to each other, to our children, to our elders, to our colleagues, they all should be filled with small sweets here and there of sweet words, kind words, compassionate words. So, and in Facebook, keep on writing every day that you have full faith that I'm going to get through this because this whole world is my own creation. So with these Facebook, Twitter accounts and your giggling capacity, the search engine is Giggle. When you go inside and close your eyes and figure out what is the answer for this. And then finally, amyzahan.com is a website where you buy everything for yourself, order everything, and at the same time cancel all the negative orders. Okay, thank you so much. Have fun and let me know how it goes. Bye-bye.